Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about arrays. Yeah. First of all, what is array? Array is generally in this type shape. You can add data from like this, and then array followed by index also 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Yeah. Here we will discuss about it. First of all, the basic syntax for creating array is integer, then you followed by array name, then equal to just give the values for. Yeah. In this list we give total array. Yeah. Next we will print this. For basically array will be printed in loops because arrays have more than one data. So it's not possible to print in system.out.println. So you can use for loop or anything. For integer equal to 0, primary less than array's length. Just increment type. Inside this loop, just print this statement, println. Next, I just print the array, then followed by index value. Here, index value increased by this loop. Yeah, just print this. Yeah, gives the result. This is one case. Maximum we will use the next case. Here in this case, we declared a size of the array. Just new, then followed by data type, and then give the size. Here I will give 3. So next, after giving the size, next directly give the values. Just array followed by index value, then your array value. Just array followed by index value, then value. Here I give array index value is 3, so only 3 elements is possible. Then eventually print this. Yeah. Next we see about two-dimensional array. Actually, two-dimensional array also same like that. Just add one array like that. Then same like the previous procedures. Here only one thing is different. You have two lists inside this two-dimensional array like that. Yeah. Here one two no. For your convenience, I will type 9 8, 7. Then I will explain about this 6, 5, 4. Yeah, 987654. Here, two dimensions now consist of rows and columns. Two dimensions, rows and columns. This is followed by columns, rows. Here I give 987 and 654. 987. 987. For the first row, this consists of row and this consists of another row. 654. Yeah. But this basically this index value is followed by 0, 1, 2. Here 0, 1, 2 followed by, yeah. Actually, this is the basic two-dimensional structures. Yeah. Here, if I wish to print this, I just need two loops because I have rows and columns. So, first of all, we will print this row, then move to the next row. For printing the first row, you print these columns also. So, printing this row and then begin with printing these columns. Yeah. For integer, here I take like row equal to 0, then followed by row less than array dot length row increment. Here for the particular row, I will increment the column. So integer column equal to 0, column less than array dot length, then increment the column. Yeah, like that. Then you directly print this system.out. Here printing you need two dimensions because of array. Because it is two dimensional array, so I give two parameters like that. First row initialized in this case, then first column. Yeah, here print this 9865. You just print 98 and 65, but it will not go to 7. Here your column is this list. So yeah, your column and this is not equal to 4 columns. Yeah. Then we will go see about new integer. I just give values like 2, 2. Here these are the basic things we discussed about previously. Then array of 0. Here I use like that 0 positions. Then first position 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, like that. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, like that. Here followed by array of 0, array of